Hi, all my good friends at IIT. I'm really humbled today to be receiving this honorary degree from the Illinois Institute of Technology. I've been involved with the school for well over 30 years, and I've seen class after class graduate and send well-educated kids, not kids, adults off into a wonderful future, well-educated and prepared to take on many of the problems that we face today in our country and in the world. I have to tell you that my degree is honorary, and I think that you all deserve an honorary degree today as well, on top of the ones that you're getting for all your great performance as students. And that is the honorary degree of perseverance. You know, it's been a terribly tough time the last year, and with the adversity comes the need to stay the course and do your work and accomplish the things that you need to accomplish to prepare yourself for a wonderful future. And I know the administration and the faculty and the staff at IIT have been working very hard to make your education the best possible education you could possibly get. So I think the class of 2021 is going to have a leg up because you've had that additional stimulation of being faced with not only your curriculum, but with the adversity that came with the last year of our difficult times. So I really appreciate and am humbled by the honorary degree I'm getting today, and it's really an honor to be party to graduation with you all. And I hope you'll see that this year has set you up to go on into the future to solve a whole bunch of the problems that we have to face in the future. So with that, I want to thank the administration and the boards and all the faculty for making this all possible for both you and me. So you take care and have a wonderful life, and hopefully we'll see you in the future. Take care.